Hey, what's up guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and I wanted to just pop out and tell you guys about a little funnel that I've been using. Actually today you can see here, I can go ahead and refresh this, but you can see that I've generated a net commissions of $354.60. And what's cool about this is you can see the gross sales of $394, which means that I'm making a 90% commission on this funnel that I'm going to be showing you guys today. And it's also helping me build my list as well as generating me 90% commissions. Obviously, it's converting very well. And I want to show this funnel to you guys today, and you can get access to it right after this video. We're starting right now. Hey, what's up guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and I just wanted to pop out for a second and explain a couple things to you before I actually show you this funnel that actually helped me generate $354 in about 6 hours of time. So I'm actually going to show you the funnel here in a minute, but I wanted to basically explain two different things to you. So number one, this funnel is actually going to help you build your list in a massive way. So this actual page, this funnel, it's converting at about 60%. So that means that if you're sending 100 visitors to this page, you're definitely going to get about 50 to 60 opt-ins, which is going to definitely enhance your chances of making sales on the back end. The second thing about this funnel is it's actually free, and you can actually use it to build your list, although there is a upgraded option to actually get, the actual funnel itself, as well as get some additional training and actually use this whole system. The last thing I want to show you before I actually go into the actual funnel itself is you actually can get 90% commissions on this actual funnel, and that's unheard of in this industry. So you're really getting the bulk of the pie, which is amazing. So when you make a sale, you're pretty much getting the majority of the revenue, which is great. And anytime that you have a funnel that you can get that type of a percentage of the revenue, you definitely have to take advantage of it. So what I want to do now is actually kind of show you the funnel and give you a little bit more details, and we'll go into it right now. And then I'll have a link in the description of this video where you guys can get access to this actual funnel. Again, you can actually use it for free to build your list. It's a great opt-in percentage, so definitely use it for that. But then also check out the upgraded option because it is converting, and you can actually make obviously some great money. I made $354 in 6 hours, and this thing isn't slowing down anytime soon. So check the link in the description after you finish watching a little bit more of this video, and go ahead and get started right away. All right, guys, so I'm going to jump right into here, and I'm going to show you this funnel and why I feel like it's a very high converting funnel, why I feel like you can get high opt-ins. It's very kind of sleek and slick, and I won't show you the entire funnel because you're actually going to be able to experience it for yourself and, make your own opinion. But I just wanted to point out a few things. So if we look at the title here, it says how to make your first $177 online this week using the piggyback method. So this right here, I think, is very appealing to newbies. Your first $177. A lot of people, as you know, have not made any money online. So to make $177 in a day is very appealing to newbies, which is going to grab people's attention. So it's a really great headline. And then it says, started from scratch with no audience, no product, and zero tech skills, which is everything that typically people starting out online don't have. They don't have an audience, they don't know how to make a product, and they don't have tech skills. But what I really think is slick about this funnel is it almost doesn't even look like a squeeze page. When I first looked at it, I was just like, what is this? And so basically in this video, it brings validity to this piggyback method because it shows income proof, and it actually gives you value in this little first video here. So it's just a few minutes long where it's actually kind of just giving you value, and it kind of takes the edge off of your typical squeeze page where you have like your header and then you have that opt-in box right away, like go ahead and opt in. You got to put your email in there to get some content, to get some information, whereas this kind of gives you information right up front. And this box here, which is obviously the opt-in button, it's kind of inconspicuous because it just says watch the next video. I really like that, where it's like, just watch the next video here, and it just, you click it obviously, and then the opt-in box actually pops in. And this opt-in page is actually converting about 60%. So it's taking a lot of cold traffic and converting it to warm leads for you. So it's definitely something that you would definitely want to get your hands on. And like I said, you can actually get this funnel for free, and you can actually start building your list for free utilizing this funnel. Now, there is an upgrade that you can or cannot take, and basically it gives you license rights to the funnel, and all of that is actually explained in this next video. Once you opt in here, you're going to be taken to another video where it actually kind of explains this whole piggyback method and how you can actually take advantage of an upgrade that you can use to actually make money. But if you don't want to take it, you don't have to. You can still utilize this and the training and everything else that comes with it to actually build your list. And you could just start building your list and mail your list offers and make money that way. I think that you would behoove you to take the upgrade because obviously it's converting well. I sent, just a little bit of traffic to the page, and, I got a lot of leads and I've gotten sales with this. So this is something that you would definitely want to kind of just take a really good look at and, see if you want to get involved with it. Now, the last thing I'll say about this actual funnel is it actually gives you kind of tactical steps to take while you're actually watching this next training video. I mean, it just doesn't waste any time. It says, okay, if you're a newbie, you want to start making money as fast as possible. And it actually kind of takes you through steps on this next video to like literally get right into it, like getting to the nitty gritty of making money online. So I don't really want to spoil it for you guys here. So I want you guys to go to the link in the description and click on it, and then you'll see a page like this. Watch this entire video. It's just a few minutes long, and then go in and then put in your email address, obviously, and then watch the second video and see if this is something that you want to utilize. I think that you should all utilize it for leads at least, and then obviously there's probably be some of you guys that want to go ahead and upgrade for the license rights and the training and some of the other stuff that comes with the actual funnel. All right, so this is John from johnmcneil.com, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you go in the link description right now and check out this piggyback method. It's high converting. It's grabbing leads like crazy and making sales. 354 in 6 hours. You definitely want to check it out. So go in the description right now and check it out for yourself, guys. This is John from johnmcneil.com. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.